Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to do a review on Coates Quote book, which is by Tom Percival and Christine Pym. So this is one new book which I have purchased for my daughter, and it has got very good illustrations and images are so colorful and wonderful for kids. And so I would like to show you how the book is and give you a review on this book. So let's get started. So first of all, the book size is quite big. It's almost two size of my palm, and this book is all about this goat who is wearing a coat, and it's really wonderful kids for your kids to learn how you need to share when someone needs something from you. So that's why I have purchased this book. So this is a story about this goat. His name is Alfonso, and he has a very wonderful coat which he wears very proudly, and people watch him and they say what a marvelous coat it is, and he's so happy and to know that people are just talking about it. So as he goes ahead, he sees someone is sad, and he finds these three frogs who are very sad, and their old log which is there, it is gone, it's broken. So this goat tries to help them by taking little part of his coat and making a boat for them, just like this. Mostly it is the sleeve part which you could see over here. That's what he makes as a boat for them, and they are very happy and they thank him for that, and he is too very happy. After all, he, even though the coat was spoiled, he was happy that he helped someone, and that's what he was happy about. And then later when he went ahead, he found that someone else is sad and crying. So then he finds that the cat over here is hurt over here, so he tries to help him. First of all, he takes a little part of his coat and puts bandage on him, and that's how he helps the cat. So again, you see that he helped through the coat, and so the coat has become more bad and torn, and still, but he is still very happy because he helped someone. And then he goes ahead, and when he goes ahead, he sees a hen who is in search of his chick, and he too tries to help him, but then they don't find the chick anywhere. Then suddenly the chick starts screaming from top of a tree, and then he screams, help me, help me. So this goat tries to remove whatever coat is left. He tries to make a rope of it, and he tries to take the rope and go up and save the chick, and he saves the chick too. That way he goes everywhere he goes, he sees someone or the other, the rabbit and those each animal he sees, he tries to help, and he's not having a coat anymore. But as he goes further, he tries to find out that he finds out that there's snow and lot of breeze, and it's getting colder, and now he doesn't have a coat. So he takes a shelter somewhere, so that he's because it's getting dark too, and it's snowing very badly, so he needs to take a shelter. But suddenly there's a light which appears, and then he sees a cat, frog, hen, whomever he helped has come back to him for his help, and they are all come with a small light, and they make a sweater out of all things which they get for this goat. And he was so happy that whomever he helped has become so kind to them, and he feels so happy to get this gift that he wears it for all seasons, whether summer or rainy or any season. And he bees around with them, and then he finds a best friends in them after helping them so much. So they are the best friends which he found. And so that's all that is about this book. And I really loved the way they have explained, like how you need to share when someone needs you, and that way you can make good friends too. So that's the reason I purchased this book, and I noticed my daughter too loved this big book. So I hope you would too like the book. And so please do like, subscribe and share, and thank you for watching my video. Bye bye.